When driving at night on a dimly lit street, you should A. Drive slowly enough so you can stop within the area illuminated by your headlights. B. Turn on your high beams to better see the road ahead. C. Drive as you would during the day. Correct answer. A. Drive slowly enough so you can stop within the area illuminated by your headlights. When you see a flashing yellow traffic signal at an intersection, you should A. Stop before entering the intersection. B. Slow down and cross the intersection carefully. C. Proceed through the intersection without slowing. Correct answer. B. Slow down and cross the intersection carefully. You are approaching a railroad crossing with no warning devices and are unable to see 400 feet down the tracks in one direction. The speed limit is A. 15 miles per hour, B. 20 miles per hour, C. 25 miles per hour. Correct answer. A. 15 miles per hour. You want to park uphill on a two-way road and there is no curb. Which way do you turn your front wheels? A. To the left, toward the street. B. To the right, away from the street. C. Straight ahead. Correct answer. B. To the right, away from the street. You must file a report of traffic accident occurring in California on SR1 with DMV within 10 days if you A. Are involved in a collision and there is property damage in excess of $1,000 or if there are any injuries. B. Are pulled over for a traffic violation. C. Change your insurance provider. Correct answer A. Are involved in a collision and there is property damage in excess of $1,000 or if there are any injuries. Two sets of solid double yellow lines that are 2 or more feet apart. A. May be crossed to enter or exit a private driveway. B. Should be treated as a separate traffic lane. C. May not be crossed for any reason. Correct answer, C. May not be crossed for any reason. When driving in traffic at night on a dimly lit street, you should A. Drive slowly enough so you can stop within the area lighted by your headlights. B. Turn on your high beam headlights to better see the vehicles ahead of you. C. Keep your instrument panel lights bright to be more visible to other drivers. Correct answer A. Drive slowly enough so you can stop within the area lighted by your headlights. A pedestrian starts to cross the street after the "Don't walk" signal begins to flash. The pedestrian is in the middle of the street when your signal light changes to green. You should A. Proceed if you have the right of way. B. Wait until the pedestrian crosses the street before proceeding. C. Carefully drive around the pedestrian. Correct answer, B. Wait until the pedestrian crosses the street before proceeding. You are driving on a freeway posted for 65 miles per hour. Most of the other vehicles are driving 70 miles per hour or faster. You may legally drive A. 70 miles per hour or faster to keep up with the speed of traffic. B. Between 65 miles per hour and 70 miles per hour. C. No faster than 65 miles per hour. Correct answer, C. No faster than 65 miles per hour. You see a signal with a yellow arrow. What does this mean? A. The protected turning time period is ending. B. You should speed up to make the turn before the light changes. C. You have the right of way to turn. Correct answer, A. The protected turning time period is ending.